Assalamu alaikum nursery class. I hope you will be fine. Students, it's our math subject, so open your maths book and today we will solve its page number 10. Unit 1 review. Counting backwards. So here students we will learn backward counting. This is 1 0 10. Now tell me what's come before 10? 9. What's come before 9? 8. And what comes before 8? 7. What's come before 7? 6. What's come before 6? 5. What's come before 5? 4. Then 3, 2, 1. Repeat with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay students, here we will learn write the missing numbers. Here we will write down the missing numbers. This is 8 and this is 5. So students, look at this. This is 8. So what's come before 8? 7. Here we will write down 7. Then 6 and 5. 8, 7, 6, 5. Look at this. First one is missing. 4 is here. And then 2. So students, what's come after 4? 5. And what's come before 4? 3. 2. So read with me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now move on page number 11. What comes in between? This is 10 and this is 8. So what's come between? 10, 9, 8. 8, 9, 10. 7 and 5. So what's come between? 5, 6. 6 will be here. 5, 6, 7. 4 and 2. So what's come between 4 and 2? 3. 2, 3 and 4. I hope students you understand missing numbers before and after and between and backward counting. So students, do practice of backward counting from 10 to 1 and do practice of this book page number 10 and 11. When you done your practice work, so send us on our WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.